Hi, Uncle Tom. Mwah. I love you.
Okay, give him the present.
These presents are to both of you girls from Uncle Tom. Both of these are for both of you to share, okay? So, alright.
Why is it so freaking orange? This castle wheel! I opened the castle. Look, it's a sweet.
What'd you get? Show me.
Thanks, Uncle Tom.
What'd you get?
It's a lot.
What do you say?
Thank you, Uncle Tom.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi, Uncle Tom.
Uncle Tom, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Right here, look up.
Merry Christmas.
Mwah. Love
Madison, say hi,
I
Uncle
can
Tom.
do something here.
Give me. Mwah, love you. Hi, Uncle Tom. Love and miss you. Wish you were here.
Cool.